Hey there, Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here. Welcome to day 1691 of What You Up To Now. Talking about what I'm working on as I transition from the brick and mortar corporate world of business to the online world of business. Lessons learned, content I'm creating, what's working, what's not working, and an opportunity to ask for help or get any of your questions answered when it comes to offline or online businesses. With almost 50 years of experience in different businesses and industries, as well as being offline and online, I've run into a lot of things, and I've figured out a lot of things that work and a lot of things that don't work. And so if I can save just one person from making some of the mistakes I have, I feel like it's worthwhile and worth sharing. So today, pieces of content for Supersize Your Business for Female Entrepreneurs group was an idiom, a communication-related idiom to coincide with the annual challenge, the BU 365-day challenge, where we're doing one thing every day that improves us. And we're structuring the first 9 months of it along with the life framework that I use to set my goals, set my objectives, think about different areas and aspects of my life to make sure I'm moving toward what I want all the time and helping other people to do the same thing. So this month's focus is on the area of communication and all the different areas and aspects of communication. We have a different topic every day, and then I find an idiom that coincides with that. Sometimes they coordinate really well with the topic of the day, other days not so much. Today's was to be like talking to a brick wall. And our topic for the annual challenge is core values, specifically our communication core values. What is important to us when it comes to communicating? And then I added the caveat at the end that what you're expecting from other people, you ought to first demonstrate and expect from yourself. So if you expect people to be authentic and true to who they are and who they really are when they're communicating with you, you need to be authentic in who you really are when you're communicating with them. If you expect people to be honest and trustworthy in their communication, then you need to be honest and trustworthy in your communication. Now, does everybody do that? No, but we need more people that will set the example and be what they want to see in the world, not less. So that's part of doing one thing every day that continuously improves us. I say being ourselves is what we're here to do. Continually improve and understand and learn and get to know ourselves better so we can have the best possible human experience as we're here on planet Earth. So we talked about our core values and our core communication values. So things like honesty, trustworthiness, integrity, empathy, diversity, treating people the way we want to be treated, acceptance, affirmations, what's important to us in communication. And communication in and of itself, valuing communication can be a core value of our own. Seeking to understand as well as to be understood and focusing on communication as being critically important and core to our being is many people's core value. Personal responsibility, authenticity, and equality. A lot of people have equality as a core value. Not one of mine, because I think that we're all different, and that's one of our strengths, is that we are all diverse and different, and it's our differences that make the world a better place, not how we're the same that makes the world a better place. So we talked about core values, and we're picking 3 and sharing 3 today. I haven't done mine yet. I'm sure if I think about it for a couple of minutes, I will easily determine what is most core and important to me personally when it comes to communication. But our idiom was to be like talking to a brick wall. So we talked about different types of people that we've run into, and most of us have run into someone during our lifetime that it's like talking to a brick wall. No matter what we say, no matter what we do, they know better. They've got their way of doing things. Their way is the only way. It's my way or the highway. People that are broken record syndrome or on repeat mode. And in some ways, we want to be like a brick wall when it comes to committing ourselves to building and growing and supersizing our business. But we don't want to be inflexible or impenetrable or immovable or unable to change and grow as the world around us changes and grows. We need to personally and professionally, with respect to our businesses, be able to do that. So I like the idiom and the expression to be like a brick wall. I don't know if I've ever told somebody you're like talking to a brick wall, but I know there are people, I've been thinking it in my head as I'm talking to them. And some people probably think that about me sometimes. I get hell-bent on my beliefs about a certain topic, and nobody's going to change my mind. Just like I'm not going to change anyone else's mind. Each and every one of us change our mind and make our choices and decisions based on our experiences, and we're not going to change our mind until something happens that causes us to make a different choice, make a different decision, and to change our mind. So in a lot of ways, we're all like brick walls when it comes to our beliefs, especially our core beliefs and our core values. And it takes a lot of outside influences in order to change those things. And some things will never change. If you believe in personal responsibility, there aren't very many things that are going to happen in your lifetime that are going to allow you to get rid of that core belief or that value. So yesterday, it's been a really, really rainy weekend here. So yesterday I did major sweets cooking, which is unlike me because I haven't baked for a long time, but I was in a baking mood. When it's rainy and icky out, I like to do something different to mix it up. And so today it's looking like another rainy day, so I'll have to find something a little less calorie-laden and a little more creative to do today to fill my free time. If I can help you in any way, ask. Otherwise, I will be with you tomorrow. Have a terrific day.